To determine if you have an INL or an INL clone arm, look for the tab under the wiper arm. If it's present, you have an INL clone arm. If it's missing, you have an INL arm.
Here's how to install a Rain-X Silicone Supreme wiper blade on an INL arm.
First, remove the pre-installed adapter from the wiper blade. Grab the end, rotate up, and pull away. Locate the packaged adapter labeled A. Align the A adapter so that the arrow on top is pointing in the same direction as the arrow on the base. Insert the front of the A adapter into the slot in the base. The adapter should catch. Press firmly until it locks into place with a click. After you've removed the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is in the up position. Insert the tab on the wiper arm into the slot located on top of the adapter. Rotate the blade down onto the wiper arm. Press into place until it locks with a click. Tug on the blade to make sure it's properly fastened, remove the yellow plastic squeegee cover, and lower the arm gently onto the windshield.
Installation is complete. You are now ready to outsmart the elements with Rain-X Silicone Supreme.